Open the lamp cover. Find the lamp power supply adapter and disconnect it. Loosen the retaining screws on the lamp house with M1.5 hex wrench. Having turned off the light for 10 minutes, remove the lamp out. Install the new lamp into the lamp house. Connect the power supply and you can see the lamp is on. Remove the reaction cuvettes facing the lamp and you can see the fiber optic path. Adjust the lamp in an appropriate position, where the focus point of light is in the middle of the fiber lens. Tighten the retaining screws of lamp. Open test to enter AD signal and click Start. Turn to the back of the instrument, unscrew the back cover. Locate the black gain button on the far side of the motherboard. Press it for 3 seconds, the AD signal will automatically adjust to 50,000. Replace the back cover, panel, bulb cover.